Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be making some curried pork. Yes, my love, some curried pork. Now I'm actually cutting out this meat and pork thing for a while, so this was actually a recipe from way back, and I'm just going through my phone and getting them out just to make space. So here I have some ginger powder, garlic powder, garam masala, dried Scotch bonnet, black pepper, turmeric, salt, some all-purpose seasoning, and 2 types of curry powder, a dark one and a light one. So I'm adding some homemade green seasoning, and I have some fresh seasonings here, some Scotch bonnet, a little bit of bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, garlic, and ginger. Then I'm just going to add that to the bowl, mix it up, and I'm going to have it marinated for about 3 to 4 hours. You can leave it overnight. I added the curry to the pork because I want that extra amount of, I want that extra curry flavor, because it's not a strong curry I'm using, and because it's a meat that takes time to cook, so it would give the curry time to cook. But I'm also adding a little bit to some oil just to burn that, as how we usually do here in Jamaica. Then I'm just gonna brown that, add some water, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Then I transferred it to a pot and added some carrots and potatoes, and then I'm going to let that cook for a few more minutes until it's really tender but not falling off the bone. And this is what it's looking like, guys. It smells so good in my kitchen. I just want you guys to know that. And to sweeten the deal, I'm just gonna add a little bit of honey. If you haven't tried honey with curry and ginger in it, you should give it a try. Whether you do this with pork or shrimp, it is really good. So yeah, and that is all she wrote. And yeah, I served this with some white jasmine rice. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do remember to hit that subscribe button on your way out and turn on all post notifications so you'll be reminded whenever I upload a new video. And if you have been here from the start, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Please remember to like, comment, share, and stay tuned till the next one. Bye bye.